Stop wasting time on frustrating builds. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the right woodworking tools are a total game changer for your shop. Today, we're counting down the top 20 genius woodworking tools every DIYer absolutely needs in 2026. From precision measuring tools to must-have power tools that save you hours of work, these workshop essentials will elevate your DIY woodworking projects to a professional level. Stick around for number 14. It's a complete shop saver that every woodworker needs to see. Let's dive in. Speed up your cuts and boost accuracy with the Reekon caliber measuring tool. This innovative M1 caliber clamps to nearly any saw fence, eliminating the need for tape measures or pencils. It measures flat and round materials quickly, displaying results on a large backlit LCD screen in both English and metric units. Compatible with miter, chop, cut-off, and vertical band saws, it reduces cut time, increases safety, and ensures precision for boards, composites, or pipes. Quick to set up, it's perfect for professionals, woodworkers, and contractors alike. Achieve precise, smooth woodworking with the Cowryman router plane tool. Built with a stainless steel body and a comfortable wooden handle, this plane excels on a variety of woods, including black walnut, white oak, and cherry, from medium to high hardness. The easily adjustable blade with screw assembly allows for effortless depth control, while the hand-polished edge ensures ready-to-use sharpness. Its modular, upgrade-friendly design lets you customize and maintain it for years. With next-gen blade locking and multiple polishing stages, the Cowryman router plane delivers consistent, stable planing for professional quality results. Transform your projects with the Craft Resin Tabletop Epoxy Resin Kit. This one-to-one mix of two-part resin creates a crystal-clear, high-gloss finish perfect for countertops, wood, DIY casting, discasting, and art. Coatings. UV-resistant and food-safe when cured, it prevents yellowing and ensures long-lasting brilliance. The self-leveling, bubble-free formula spreads evenly for flawless results, while curing to a durable, heat-resistant finish within 36 hours. Easy to use and complete with mixing tools and instructions, this kit delivers professional quality surfaces for both beginners and experienced crafters. Accuracy is everything in woodworking, and even the smallest misalignment can throw off a project. The Woodpecker's DeadNutz Machinist Square is a 3.5-inch stainless steel precision square setup tool with an incredible 0.0002-inch tolerance inside and outside 90 degrees plus. Crafted with wire EDM precision machining and single-piece construction, it eliminates assembly errors and ensures lasting durability. Beveled edges allow easy alignment at 45 and 90 degrees, while its versatile design fits scroll saws, table saws, and more. This square makes machinery setup, calibration, and precise cuts faster, easier, and more reliable. Precision and even pressure are critical in woodworking, and the Jorgensen parallel bar clamp delivers just that. This 36-inch heavy-duty cabinet master clamp offers 2,200 pounds of clamping force, keeping workpieces secure during glue-ups, cabinet assembly, and furniture repairs. Its rigid steel bar resists flexing, while the quick-release sliding jaw easily converts into a spreader for versatile use. The ergonomic soft grip handle and safety trigger provide controlled operation, and the included soft landing system, glue separator, and clamp stand ensure stability, efficiency, and clean, precise woodworking every time. Water damage can quietly destroy your deck, so reliable protection is a must. The Joapril Butyl Sealant tape is a deck joist tape engineered for waterproofing and anti-corrosion, extending the life of your decking. Each set includes 12 rolls, 2 inches wide and 50 feet long, totaling 600 feet. Made from high-quality butyl, it's super adhesive, airtight, and weather-resistant. Easy peel and stick installation works on wood, metal, plastic, or rubber surfaces, making it perfect for joists, beams, roofs, RVs, doors, and fences. Durable, reliable, and hassle-free. When branches, wood, or bamboo need quick, precise cuts, a reliable saw becomes essential. The Gartol folding saw is a portable hand pruning saw with a sharp SK5 blade and ergonomic grip, designed for wood cutting, pruning, camping, and DIY tasks. Its 8-inch 7 TPI blade cuts branches up to 6 inches smoothly, while the foldable, lightweight design makes it easy to carry in a backpack or toolkit. With a secure locking mechanism and ambidextrous handle, it's perfect for gardeners, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts tackling softwood, hardwood, or emergency projects. Precision is key when shaping and trimming wood, and a reliable router bit set makes all the difference. The Newdeli pattern flush trim router bit set features a 1/4 inch shank, 1/2 inch cutting diameter, and 4 cutting lengths, designed for smooth, accurate cuts. Its heat-treated tungsten carbide blades, sealed bearings, and Teflon-coated steel body prevent tear-out and ensure uniform rotation. Perfect for solid wood, particle board, plywood, MDF, and composites, this set is ideal for trimming, grooving, and milling. Packed in a compact case, it's easy to store and transport. Efficiency and precision are crucial in woodworking, and the Maxpower ratcheting table clamp delivers both. This quick-release clamp for MFT and guide rail systems features a 7 7/8 inch capacity and 2 3/8 inches throat depth, providing up to 530 pounds of clamping force. Its ratcheting mechanism allows fast, secure locking and release, while the high-strength CRV handle and 55 steel guide rail ensure durability. Perfect for holding workpieces firmly during cutting, sanding, routing, or other repairs. It fits seamlessly into guide rail channels for versatile positioning and a more efficient workflow. Accuracy makes all the difference when installing cabinet hardware, and the Docxcdo cabinet hardware jig tool delivers it effortlessly. This handle, pull, and knob jig features an automatic center punch and a laser-etched hardware template for precise door and drawer handle placement. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy and stored in a foam-lined box, it resists wear and keeps components organized. The intuitive design secures to surfaces for wobble-free drilling, ensuring flawless results on kitchens, drawers, doors, or custom cabinetry. Perfect for DIYers and professionals alike, it guarantees professional quality alignment every time. Smooth finishes start with the right tools and the Satc PSA. Sanding discs make every sanding task easier. This 6-inch adhesive-backed sandpaper comes in 80 grit and a convenient 100-piece set. Perfect for woodworking, automotive, marine, and industrial projects. Made from durable aluminum oxide, these discs stick securely to your sander, preventing slips and ensuring long-lasting performance. Ideal for shaping wood, metal, plastics, or body filler, they handle deburring, blending, and feather edging with ease. Tough, economical, and versatile, these sanding discs fit most general-purpose drills and sanders. Scratched furniture and floors can ruin the look of your home, making quick fixes essential. The Siso wood filler sticks are furniture wax crayons designed to repair scratches, cracks, small holes, and grooves. This 10-piece set includes popular colors like white, red oak, cherry, black, and more, covering most wood tones. Ideal for floors, cabinets, tables, doors, and trim, these wax sticks are safe and easy to use. Simply clean the damaged area, apply the matching color, and smooth it out, optionally heating for deeper repairs. for a seamless, professional-looking finish. Accurate drawer installation can be tricky, but the Imbot drawer slide jig makes it effortless. This precision cabinet drawer jig features laser-engraved double-scale markings, ensuring fast and exact alignment of slides for drawers, cabinets, desks, and more. Universal compatibility lets it work with all standard drawer slides, while its durable plastic and stainless steel construction saves time and effort. Ideal for DIYers and professionals alike, the Imbot drawer slide jig transforms complex installations into precise, repeatable, and hassle-free tasks, delivering professional-grade results every time. Precision and durability define the Aoranto Spiral CNC router bit, featuring a 1/4 inch shank and solid carbide construction with ultra-fine WC grain and 93.9 HRA hardness. This upcut end mill delivers long-lasting cutting performance. Its DLC Glip Plus coating provides extreme hardness, heat resistance up to 500 degrees Celsius, and superior lubricity, keeping edges sharp through repeated use. Perfect for wood, laminate, melamine, MDF, veneered plywood, and particle board, it works seamlessly with CNC machines, table routers, and engraving tools. Industrial quality craftsmanship ensures consistent and reliable results for slotting, carving, and engraving projects. Accuracy matters in every woodworking project, and the Neitra square ruler ensures precise measurements and angles every time. This compact aluminum alloy carpenter square features laser-etched markings, 1/16 inch diameter holes, and 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch offsets for fast, accurate mortise and tenon layout. Its hypotenuse includes 0 to 90 degree angle markings in 5-degree increments and 5 preset angles with fixed angle pinholes, keeping pins secure yet adjustable. Made from corrosion-resistant aluminum with clear laser scales, it's portable, durable, and perfect for marking, scoring, and angle checking on furniture and woodworking projects. Smooth finishes start with the right tools, and the Potuinom sanding discs make every sanding task easier and more efficient. This 165-piece round hook and loop sandpaper set includes both coarse and fine grits, designed for 5-inch random orbital sanders, die grinders, air grinders, and electric drills. Made from durable aluminum oxide, the discs resist clogging while delivering fast, smooth results. The 8-hole design efficiently removes dust, keeping your workspace clean. Ideal for sanding, polishing, and de-rusting metal, wood, plastic, leather, stone, and more, it's perfect for professional and DIY projects. Strong, reliable joints start with the right glue. The Titebond Original Wood Glue is a 6-pack of 1-quart bottles that delivers professional quality results for interior woodworking projects. With a short clamp time, it bonds stronger than wood itself, ensuring your assemblies hold firmly. Heat-resistant and easy to sand, it works seamlessly with most wood finishes. Safe and non-toxic, cleanup is simple with water, ideal for wood, hardboard, particle board, leather, cloth, and other porous materials. This glue makes crafting, repairing, and finishing projects faster, cleaner, and more dependable. Precision is key when crafting flawless countertops, and even slight misalignment can ruin a finish. The Trend Kitchen Countertop Jig is a 27.56-inch router guide designed for laminate, solid timber, and composite worktops, delivering precise and tight-fitting joints for kitchens and bathrooms. Compatible with a 1/2-inch collet router and guide bush, it features an easy alignment pin system, etched instructions, and a clear manual for accurate cuts. Ideal for left, right-hand corners with or without anti-drip edges. This hard-wearing template ensures professional, repeatable results on every project. Detail and precision make all the difference in woodworking projects, and the right tools can save time and frustration. The Shengbenhao wood carving bits set includes 20 high-speed steel rotary burrs with 1/8-inch shanks, each coated with titanium for long life and precise cutting. This versatile engraving rotor bit set handles carving, drilling, trimming, chamfering, edge grooving, milling, and more. Ideal for DIY woodworking, model building, furniture repair, and crafts. It works on wood, ABS, acrylic, PVC, and plastics. Packaged in a durable box, it's easy to store and transport. Perfect hinge placement is key to smooth door operation, and mistakes can be costly. The Sacador hinge jig is an aluminum alloy door hinge router jig designed for precise, repeatable mortises. Adjustable to fit hinges from 2 and 1/2 inches to 5 inches in length, with 1/4 inch or 5/8 inch radius options. It works for both round and square corner hinges. Equipped with a depth gauge, self-centering hinge bit, and dual head screwdriver, it ensures accurate cuts without extra tools. Durable, stable, and easy to use, this jig is ideal for professionals and DIYers alike. That wraps up our list of the best woodworking tools to upgrade your shop. Which of these genius tools was your favorite? Drop a comment below and let's talk shop. If you found these woodworking tips and tool reviews helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY woodworking hacks and project guides. Don't forget to check the description for links to everything mentioned today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next build.